Thank you, Mr. President. So, this bill, like so many others that we hear in this chamber, starts with a story. And this is a story of family members who've experienced loss, not from natural causes or health or medical reasons, but death by tragedy. The Georgia legislature, in its wisdom, has provided, listen up, thank you. The Georgia legislature, in its wisdom, has already provided that in every case of the homicide of a child, some party should be entitled to bring forth an action to recover for the value of the life of the child. Where that child has no spouse or child of his own, the legislature entrusts that responsibility and benefits to the parents, and the parent would be entitled to bring an action against someone for the wrongful death of the child. But what happens in the case where the parent is responsible for the death of their child intentionally? There is a section in our law that's already codified that says that if a child dies by homicide, of course, the parents can bring that wrongful death claim. In another statute, section 53-1-5, which is known as the Slayer statute, it excludes a killer or slayer from the right to recover from the decedent's estate or to serve as his or her personal representative. But that statute does not explicitly place limitations where the parent is the slayer, and it can be interpreted as conflicting with 19-7-1, which gives the parents this right. From a legal perspective, these two sides can argue different things, and it creates a conundrum sometimes for our judges. This bill simply closes that loop, and it references back to that Slayer statute, and it makes it clear that a parent who is responsible intentionally for the death of their child cannot profit from that death. This is not obviously a complete fix to every legal scenario of a parent-child killing might bring about, but it definitely clarifies an ambiguity that's already in the law. It strengthens the law, in fact, and it would help greatly in providing expedience justice. As we well know, judicial resources are precious, and the clarity this bill brings assists judges to limit the waste of hearings and time and money spent preparing for the same on an issue that should be a no-brainer. Killers should not benefit from their killing. I ask for your favorable consideration of this bill, and I will answer any questions if you have any.
You don't appear to have any questions.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Does any other senator wish to speak for or against Senate Bill 543? The chair sees none. Is there objection to agreeing to the report of the committee which is favorable to the passage of the bill? The chair hears none. The report of the committee is agreed to. Is there objection to the main question being ordered? The chair hears none and the main question is ordered. Questions on the passage of the bill? All those in favor vote yea. Opposed nay. The secretary will unlock the machine. For what purpose does the senator from the 25th rise?
Inquiry.
State your inquiry.
Was that the senator from the 39th first bill?
We were just discussing that.
We need to get her back up there, Mr. President.
For what purpose does the senator from the 39th rise?
Such a serious issue that we cannot haze the senator from the 39th on this bill.
That's never slowed anybody down. Chair recognizes the majority leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Isn't it true that she has another bill up for consideration today, and we reserve the right?
I certainly hope the gentleman knows of what he speaks. All right, where are we at here? On the passage of the bill, the yeas are 52, the nays are 0. This bill, having received the requisite constitutional majority, is therefore passed quietly for now.